Hi, I am Meet Mehta. I have secured an All India rank of 890 in NEET 2022. As we all know, biology plays a very major role in your NEET score and is a very important part of your youth syllabus. But with Arun Kothari sir's guidance, it was a very smooth and easy journey for me. How he taught each chapter and ensured that the rote learning part was restricted to bare minimum, ensured that we could learn and enjoy the chapters at the same time. Also, what impressed me was the testing system, how he prepared a test after every chapter, so that we weren't bouldered with we weren't bouldered with composition tests like about 6 to 7 chapters, which would make it very difficult for us to cope up with the portion. He ensured that every student could cope with the exam and the portion at their own pace and at their own space to learn, which was very impressive. Also, I am very grateful to him that he had these doubt clearing sessions very regularly, so that all the doubts weren't accumulated over the period of time, and I had them cleared off regularly. So I am very thankful to him for his contribution in whatever I have achieved in this examination.